Introducing VELLO Bike Plus, the lightest and the most compact electric folding bike on the market. It is lightweight, has a sleek design and falls extremely small. It takes advantage of the next generation of regenerating electric bike technology that has the ability to charge the battery while pedaling, so you can ride forever without having to recharge it. Connected to your phone via Bluetooth
to select different power modes,
track your road or lock your bike motor with the app. Use it for multimodal commuting. Fold and roll in a second thanks to its patented self-locking magnet system, and then wheel it around everywhere. At the same time, it can be folded extremely small. Take it with you everywhere and place it under your work desk easily. In 2015, the VELLO Bikes was awarded the prestigious Red Dot Best of the Best. After a successful Kickstarter campaign, we are here once more with this exciting new development.